Good morning once again, your host and dost Arun here for you. And today we are going to once again see the power of changing our life in just one instant, in just one moment. By reading just one line of a book, you do not have to read the complete book if you want to change your life. You just have to read one line or maybe one paragraph and read it mindfully and then take some actions, your life is going to change completely. कर्ण कर्ण में भगवान होते हैं जो देखना चाहते हैं, कर्ण कर्ण में मोटिवेशन है मेरी नज़र से देखिए तो, और हर किताब की लाइन में जिंदगी बदलने के सूत्र हैं. Let's have a demonstration. I have made some videos like this in the past. So let's go through yet another video in which we are going to prove that one book can change your life forever and you do not have to complete the book, you just have to read maybe one line. So let's take one line at random. ये पेज लेते हैं, right? Let's start from the top. So it says, a virtual coach. Thanks to the person or people who invented internet. Always be thankful. Just one line, you have got one message. Be thankful to people who do something good to you. If internet, for example, has brought some great convenience to all of you, and this is truth. While being at home in the days of Corona, you can order anything which you feel like, right? This is the magic. But the problem is that people will keep on cursing Corona, but they will not be thankful to internet, which is making it possible for you to be at home, to do your job while working from home, which is making it possible to earn your salary, which is making it possible for you to place order for milk and for anything and everything, grocery, vegetables, and also restaurant food, including orders which you can place on Amazon and Flipkart, and also on Order Me. So there are many apps on which you can order, and still we are not thankful. We are the people who keep on cursing Corona. This is the irony of this world. ये दुनिया का बेचारापन है. So only first line. Thanks to the person or people who invented internet and the people who made the data plan so cheap. Thank, for that matter, Reliance or any company which has made it so cheap for you to use internet. Absolutely. You can have a virtual coach as well. Like I'm talking to you. This is one example of a virtual coach. And of course, I'm learning from everyone. I learn from every life situation, from every word of book, and you can see the live demonstration here. This is my purpose and passion, and hence I know that I can certainly add value to the lives of people. You can learn from the coach without the coach coming to know of this ever. I do not know how many people are actually changing their lives. You know, there are many people who keep on writing to me about their experience of reading a chapter or reading the book and then changing their life, and I'm coming to know of those people. But I'm pretty sure there are many people among this audience who have got benefited, but I do not even know about them. You can learn from the coach without the coach coming to know of this ever. You can follow their videos, read their books, listen to their podcasts, and have one-to-one webinar-based coaching sessions, which I have been doing over weekend, and some of you have been attending. Please do not miss these webinars. These are life-changing webinars. I do it in the early morning hours, maybe around 5:30 to 6:30 on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Not every weekend, but on a few weekends. It is possible for people living even in the remotest of remote places to get a coach on the internet. That's the power of internet. Even people living in the smallest of villages can have internet and can see my video and get an opportunity to change their life for the best of reasons. Always remember, the first step of change will not begin with the coach. It will rather begin with the students. So while hundreds of people might be watching this video, or thousands of people or lakhs of people in a few months or years to come, not everybody is going to get the same benefit. The coach is the same, the talk is the same, the video is the same, but some of you are going to bring about a huge change in your life, because it depends on your faith on what I'm saying. It depends on your ability to follow what I'm saying. It depends on your passion to note down the lessons which I'm talking about. It depends on your belief on the words which I'm saying, and it depends on your passion, your purpose to call me over a weekend if you feel like, or just follow what we are talking about. And since that will vary among people, the degree of success also will vary among people. You need to become that a student. You become that a student who is going to change the life. You take the first step, make some progress, and start looking for a coach. Where there is will, there is way. No excuses. The only person who can come in the way of your mega success is you and you only. No man on this planet Earth has the power to deter you from your goal of becoming super successful. Just a small paragraph you have read, and this has got the power to change your life. This is the power of this book. And believe me, this is not a marketing campaign. Believe me, I'm saying so because I know that this book can change your life completely. Completely. And I've seen people doing that. And this is just one half of one page. And this has got 350 pages of super thrilling, motivational stories. This book has got some super thrilling content, the stories, anecdotes, my life experiences, the life stories of some of the super successful people, because it's all a connected world. The sutras of success are just a few. And the power to change your life lies not with the book, for example, primarily. It does not lie with me. It lies with you. It is you who is going to take a decision to read. It is you who has taken a decision to watch this video. You also had the option to watch so many other things, Netflix and this and that. But you took your time out to see this video, and let me promise to you once again, give you full assurance that if you just follow one lesson from each video that I have made, that I have uploaded on this channel, your life is going to change forever. Forever. Take care, stay blessed, and stay happy. Bye-bye.